Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys like my intro video and you're really excited for this video as well. So without further ado, guess what I have today? I have these two things. Yes, this is coffee obviously, and guess what, this is turmeric. So yeah, now with these two ingredients, I think this is available at everyone's home as of now. So I have a really fun project for you guys using this, and believe me, the end result will be very nice. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so here I have emptied this shot glass. We'll use this later on. I'm having this scrap paper on which I'm just going to try out how the coffee and the turmeric works. I've just diluted both of these with a little water, and you can see that we can get the darker and the lighter shades both just by using a little more coffee or a little more turmeric. So it gives a really nice texture. Similarly, turmeric can give you a little grainy texture, so that really enhances the whole look. So now for the first bookmark, I am making a floral bookmark. So we are going to take turmeric and add these little dots which will act as the center of the flowers. Now using our brush, we're going to take some coffee and make these random petal like shapes. It's not necessary to be in any particular shape. You can make any random design here that can look like a flower petal. So I'm just adding some petals here to the flower. Now to intensify the center, I will add little more coffee towards the starting of these petals. Similarly, we are gonna make all the other flowers in the bookmark. You can make any number of flowers as per your choice. Now I'm taking turmeric and making some leaves here and there. Turmeric gives a very good texture to the leaves, and don't worry if you are not getting the desired shape right now. We will do a little damage control for that too. Now for the second bookmark, I have diluted coffee with a lot of water, and I'm gonna take that little shot glass that you remember. You can take absolutely any glass or anything that you have at home. Just dip that in the coffee and make these random small circles on the bookmark. Your bookmark size can also vary according to your choice. I have taken a very thin strip. Remember, for this technique, the coffee has to be diluted with water a little too much, otherwise you are not going to get this kind of a texture. And I have used a very small shot glass for this. You can use even glasses or round shape. Remember, after doing this, you should wipe off the coffee from your surface, otherwise it's gonna stick there. And also, wherever you place turmeric, it's gonna turn yellow. Please use any scrap container for that. So yeah, we are done with this bookmark. Remember, I told you that we are going to do some damage control, so I'm just taking a sketch pen here. You can take any pen randomly, and you can add little dots as the center of the flower and make boundaries of the petals. This will really help if you guys are not very much satisfied with the flower shapes. You can make any random designs here to give a fuller look to your flowers. I am making leaves in a different pattern here and not actually outlining the leaves that I've already made with turmeric. So this gives a very pretty look. This part is totally optional. I have written a little quote here on my second bookmark. You guys can totally skip this if you wish to, and you can write anything absolutely on these. So yeah, I hope that you guys liked the video and you are really fascinated with the idea of using coffee and turmeric in your projects, and I hope that you guys try it at home. Just a little disclaimer, guys, please don't use too much of these ingredients because already there is a lot of bad things going in the world. So please use very little amount. As you can see in my video, I used very little amount of these two ingredients and I was able to make actually 4. I'm going to pop up a little video here. You can just see how these look with a little closer. And okay, so yeah, yeah, please share with me whatever you create using this. I'd be really happy to see that. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press the little bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Remember, I'll post a new video every Saturday. And yeah, so that's it. See you soon. Bye.